In this video, you will learn how to remove Temu's minimum spending limit. First, check. Check for any ongoing promotions. Most of the time, Temu offers a special promotion or discount that may reduce or waive the minimum spending requirements. Look for banners or deals that could help lower this threshold. Add. Add more items to your cart. If you're nowhere near the minimum spending limit, add a few extra Temu items to your cart. This will help you meet the required total. Temu usually offers a variety of affordable products to make this easier. Use Temu coupons. Temu friendly provides coupons or promo codes that can be applied during checkout. Some of these codes can be reduced by a total amount, potentially making it easier to meet the minimum spending limit. Check your shipping method. In some cases, a minimum spend requirement may only apply if it chooses a particular shipping method. Verify if selecting another shipping method could bypass the limit. Splitting orders. If the minimum spend limit is too high, try splitting your purchases into multiple orders to avoid the limit on each transaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.